Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In this session we are going to talk about different types of errors in Microsoft Word document. So basically there are three types of errors in Microsoft Word. The first one is spelling mistake or spelling error. Now you can observe these are the three examples. First example is this is a Word document, but here focus, the spelling of document is incorrect. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now observe, this is a Word document, spelling of document is wrong. Understood? And in second example, see, I am playing cricket, but the spelling of playing is incorrect. And in third example, this is how we met, but spelling of how is incorrect. So these errors are spelling errors or spelling mistakes. Next type of errors are the grammar errors or grammar mistakes. Now observe another three examples. First one is we is a joint family. What should be here? Here there should be are instead of is, right? Let me zoom in a little bit. We are a joint family, but is here, right? How are, okay, sorry, he are a good player. Here you can see are should not be there. In this case it should be is. He is a good player. They was in a meeting. Was instead of was, what should we write here? They were in meeting. So these errors are, all these errors are of grammar type, right? So these are the grammar errors. Now let's move to the another set of errors, and those are contextual spelling errors. Now what does it mean by contextual spelling errors? The spelling of words are right, but the word does not fit in the statement or in the sentence. Now you can see I will see you there, but here the spelling of there is wrong. It is contextual error. Spelling is correct, their spelling is correct, but here we should write there, there. Okay, I will see you there. Next one, I want a piece of cake. Now here piece, not this piece is required here. What should we write instead? P-I-E-C-E, piece, right? He ate a chocolate. Spelling of ate is correct, but here this ate is not required. It does not fit over here. What should we write then? We should write A-T-E, ate. He ate a chocolate. Right? Understood? Let me zoom in and show you the examples so that you can see clearly. Here T-H-E-I-R, instead of that T-H-E-R-E should be there. P-E-A-C-E, instead of that P-I-E-C-E should be there. E-I-G-H-T, and instead of that A-T-E should be there. So these are contextual spelling error. Spelling is correct, but the what we can say, the context in the statement is wrong. Okay, so how to get this error? Sometimes in the document these errors are not shown. There are a typical or particular settings. Let me show you those settings. If you cannot see any of these error after typing, then what you need to do is go to the review tab. See here there is a review tab after mailings, right? After mailings and before view there is a review tab. You have to click that tab. Fine, so I have clicked the tab. Now go to the proofing group. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now you can see clearly there is a proofing group, and in that set language option is there, correct? So in the review tab, go to the proofing group and go to the set language option. Click this button, set language. This dialog box appears, right? this dialog box appears. Now what you need to do is you keep the language English United States, right, and just uncheck this box. This box is if it is checked, you just need to uncheck. Only click here one time, right, and afterwards finally click on OK button. Fine, uncheck, you have to uncheck this. If it is checked, you have to uncheck. So I have unchecked this. Click on OK button, and after that go to the Office button. This is the Office button. See, this button is called as Office button. Go to the Office button, go to the Word options, right, it is Word option over here. So click on this Word option, Office button and Word options, and then finally go to the proofing group. It is over here, right, proofing, and in proofing just scroll down. So scroll down and see here in this section, when correcting spelling and grammar in Word, see, check these boxes. Check these first 4 boxes. Check spelling as you type, use contextual spelling, grammar errors. So first 4 boxes you have to tick, you have to check those boxes. And finally while writing style, make sure that you have selected grammar only, right, grammar only. Finally click on OK button. It is over here at the bottom, and you will get these errors. Now how to correct these errors? Simply you can right click and correct the errors. Otherwise go to again review tab. See here, there is a review tab. Fine, and in review tab just go to the spelling and grammar. Okay, spelling and grammar. Here in proofing group you can see here spelling and grammar. So you can correct these errors. So they was in meeting. See, they are suggesting they was in meeting. Suggestions are were. Here we should write they were in a meeting. Fine. If you want to apply the change, just click on change button. Fine. If you want to ignore the change, you can ignore. Fine. You can do any one of these. If you click on change button, instead of was, were will be typed. So let us see now. Okay, just check, they were in a meeting. The sentence has been correct. Otherwise you can right click the right button of your mouse, and the suggestion is there. First suggestion is, click on it. We is a joint family. Right click on it. After right clicking, fine, after right clicking you will get the first suggestion R. Click on the suggestion. So I am going to click on the suggestion R. So all the errors are fixed here. Now here just right click the suggestion document, PLE, right click suggestion, click on that, right click suggestion. Here also you can right click and click this suggestion, right click and select the suggestion. Only you have to right click and select the suggestion. So that's it for today's session. I hope you understood this session completely. 3 types of error. This type of this set of error is what? So let me uncheck those. Right. These types of error are called as spelling errors. This set of errors, these set of errors are called as grammar errors. है ना? And then last one, contextual grammar error. Fine. So we will stop here. If you have any queries, doubts, you can ask me at any time. I'll be answering to your queries. So bye. Take care. See you later.